They've been bad.
No, they've tried over the years, man, to.
Yeah, you know what's happening with Ama Awards? I don't know.
So many content going to waste.
Ama Metro ayenza kanjani. Lento le. I don't know how do they get attention of the people. I don't know if ever it's only us as in Mpumalanga province because they are in our province, but they've been bad. Ama Awards in general in South Africa. Namasama enzekile usibone nje sekuphuma ama results you like oh enzelo nini nabo Miss SA last year nje ngizosengizwa Miss Mpumalanga ngibone ngawe so uyakhona.
I was there. No, so Miss Mpumalanga, the lady who won, by the way, she's been Ngamchacha 2017 or 16, I can't remember the year exactly. She's from Foltrust. So I was there. She had entered to Miss Teen Foltrust.
Wamchacha what who work?
No, she stood out of all the girls who were there.
Ukhumbule masithi ngamchacha.
No man, I was the judge. I was one of the judges who Miss Teen Foltrust on that year where she participated. Yes. So with this one, it's well deserved. I think because I've been where she started. Sorry, I would share the same sentiments with you. Okay. But because I know,
I've seen her from.
Yeah, I've seen her from.
Only you would know about these things.
Because I do this thing.
It's good to see amantombazane apreserve ubuhlo bawo. Ngezwa futhi nangawo kakhulu ukuthi if you're part of the competition, then there's things that you are not expected to do.
Like dating.
You understand?
For the duration of her reign, obviously phela angazijolela masijolela sidini kungaziwa afihle.
Yeah.
But
the boyfriend can't post.
If she has a boyfriend, ideally take it as if she doesn't have a boyfriend.
Oh, that's good.
Because umthetho uthi you can't be in a relationship. Remember, this person is managed for 12 months. So for 12 months, under the brand Yemzimari Productions, she's also the ambassador of Mpumalanga Economic Regulator. So
okay,
you can't be doing that. The same thing with Miss SA, which you can't date or back there. But angazi noma these things ever implemented. Angithi bathi abantu abanabantwana sebangangenela. I'm not sure if iyagcina iphasile le or what. But our principles ati we must make sure that you remain, and please don't cancel me for this, you remain as pure as you can for the duration of your reign, at least, so that singayitholi sesitshintsha a title holder engakaqedi i-reign yakhe. Okay. Yabo. Because remember, you're going to be visiting schools, you're going to be attending government events. You're going to be. I thought I'm the only one.
Is this light necessary? Yes. Can we not have it, man?
Yes.
Again.
I thought it was. Why? When
what are you trying to do, bruh?
It's been around.
But it's the first time I'm seeing this.
Yeah, it's actually the first one before this one. Yeah, but it's no longer working. It's not the one. This one. Please leave us alone with this one.
So as I was saying,
should we get close? No,
you are an ambassador of so many different organizations, and you must represent that particular organization in a very lovable manner, for a lack of a better word. But right. That I think for me, I still support Uguti. You can't have a child and then be a title holder.
Also,
for a reason. Let me finish. For reasons, umntanakho uzokudinga.
Yeah.
So funa ube la for your child. Ngale you are there for 12 months. Remember, Untokozo, when she came here, when we were arranging a homecoming yakhe, she was not around. She was in Nelspruit. If she was not in Nelspruit, she was in Joburg for her studies, because you still study as well.
Yeah.
We are managed, even Nasekaigini, it's not everybody who has access to you. You will only come ngaleso skhathi leso, okay, now we are home and all of that. But at the same time, you must remember there's an organization that manages you because you are a brand who also represent a certain brand. And there's an image that you must maintain. So for Mina, I still support. I don't know about the other organization, but I still support Uguti. Abantu abangana ingane, abangenela. Not that is a discriminator or what, but there's a lot of responsibilities. It's not about Uguti. You just walk on stage and be pretty and all of that. But there's other responsibilities, especially for Miss Pumalaga. You get a monthly stipend because there's activities that you need to do. Imagine get a twin gun yakho. So fune ube lapha na ngithi uba umama womntana wakho yabona.
I was raised in the street, ne?
Yeah.
Some titties are not public. Some titties should not be public. Some titties should not be public. Some bellies are not public bellies. Like your mother's belly should not be seen by a lot of people.
Yeah.
Once so nomntwana, there's things that you need to protect. It's no longer a titty. It's no longer a breast. It's a feeding mechanism.
Abanye surprisingly, amanye awabonakala nanokuthi you've got a child.
Yes, no. It looks bad once you have a kid.
No, like
I'm saying that thing should be preserved. It should not be like
after your reign.
After your reign. No shot. As we are Africans, let's not forget we are Africans. These things can be more than all we want, but we are Africans. I don't want my wife showing her bums, especially my swimsuit. I don't want that.
After your reign, you can get married. That's why we've got a Mrs.
Oh, there's also a Mrs. for the ones who are married.
Yeah, there's Mrs. South Africa, there's Mrs. So there's so many Mrs. Because omunye uzosho ukuthi okay, remember your reign is for a year. Uzosho ukuthi for a year, it's fine. Ngizohlala ngingabi nabantwana. Uthole ne-out ezothi angifuna izingane mina. And then you carry and hayi ngoba kakhulu usenza.
Mhlawumbe.
Yay.
Umchito njalo uthafuna umntwana.
Abakhona genuinely abathi nje mina I don't want kids.
Fana umchita mfethu umchita ngenkinga mfethu, this is life.
So ukhona uMrs South Africa, so if awukhona ukungena ngapha ku-miss nakhona but uMrs ayithi ufuna ubushadile phela
asiyeke uMrs awusifake mfethu singene mfethu.
So uzozibini sekanga ungenela uMrs South Africa manje.
Is she married too?
Yeah,
she is married. You didn't know?
Zozibini.
Yeah.
Zozibini is married.
She recently got married.
Konje Zozibini imuphi?
Miss Universe 20
the one from Limpopo?
No, the one with the short hair.
The
cape, the collar. Yeah.
I'm thinking of Zizo Peta.
Not Zizo. Zizo, she's a presenter. I'm talking about
she's also she was part of
Mara way.
You say correct.
Yeah,
Zozibini Tunzi is Miss SA. Which year, guys? This thing flies.
Mina nje Miss SA ngimaziyo mina engicabanga ukuthi Miss SA namanje ngithanda ukubona.
That's the only one.
That's the only one. Mina ngithi Miss SA lo. Abanye yes siyabongela. Owami nje Miss SA ngithanda ukunene.
Just because she's from here. Oh, God.
Bokanti is because of what?
Yeah,
Bokanti is because of what?
Otherwise,
she remains.
Oh, it's this one, my crush. She's married.
How? How? You Miss Universe 2019.
Oh, she won. Yeah,
this is a wedding pictures. You see, 22 April. That's when I am not.
You see why they don't want them to get married quick? Because now, umshintshe identity. Uzozibini mfethu simazi ngeschico sa Rebecca. Manje so plethile. Come on.
But she kind of looks different.
Yes, mina mfethu kufana makeup. I fine, you know. There's people who need makeup.
Yeah.
According to them.
Yeah, now I do feel like this.
But mina mfethu makeup in you want. Sikhule sonke ne. And then you start wearing makeups on 22. Yabo so I feel now. So thola tholile so feel ngathi yabo.
22, it's early down.
They start there. How they start before 22?
Yeah, when they start
High school.
They start before that, marriage. 22 is too early.
Boy,
Mina baqala le ku-30.
boy, metric dance.
labantwana baqala
Boy, metric dance. Kuba ngathi
no
nje igo
ulate baqala ka grade 7
Yes.
metric primary farewell.
Yeah, farewell. Yeah, that's where they
Yeah.
start. So,
Oh.
like school song, and then you wear makeup. Mastibana, I don't see you. Like completely. I can't. Vele ngamboni yabo. Uzomuntu wathi, "Oh, why manje ngibikelela ngishaka umzimba ngithi nini?" Angemboni vele bayashintsha completely. Nje makeup and itenses ngoba futhi nje you want to look European.
You and me both. I don't like makeup.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't like makeup. I don't like these artificial hairs. I like my woman natural. Because my
But it doesn't mean you shouldn't subscribe if you wear makeup.
Yeah.
We appreciate it. Subscribe and watch us discriminate you.
Exactly.
No, mina for my woman, I do not like. Nomfazi ogqoka amabhulukwe futhi angimthandi.
Yeah, same here.
Oh,
I mean,
mine sinking in.
No.
No, we just say we don't like it. I would ask buffoon. We just don't like it.
Mina,
Oh yeah, uthanda ungathandi yenzeka but
Yeah,
ugcine
uzothanda
ungathandi.
kusalayo wami ozohlala nami kuzophela konke.
mina no, I'm even right
Just
now.
wear behind clothes.
Akazigqoki ibhulukwe.
You see.
Mina ngifisa nje angaphuzi ngisho wami.
Akaphuzi.
Sayamcontrol kanjani aphuze now at least.
You know what's happening?
I don't.
Both of my baby mamas don't drink, so you know, I'm proud of them sometimes. Like sometimes I'll be proud of them. Like I see, I also wanna come a groove, you know. Like it's difficult. No, it's so sad. It's so sad. It's so sad for the niggas. Then, like there's things that are happening about my groove. For the niggas that have baby mamas, our groove, so
Yeah. Especially if your baby mom is a baddie.
and she's hot.
Hey, dog.
And then now I pull up with your baby mama.
The other day, bro, see this other hand, bro. Hey, she's carrying another heavy bag, bro. It's a Thursday, bro. And then I'm checking the booty, bro. He's squaring there, bro. He's standing by the car, bro. He's parking there. He's parking there. He's standing outside. He's peeping the stock. The stock is coming to him.
What did I
The
miss?
stock is getting the bag. I'm checking with weekend special. This one is good for the weekend. Someone's hand. Me, I'm tiring that shit. I'm like, ish. I'm peeping that shit. I'm like, ish.
Keeping the shades on. Man.
Hey, it's tough out here, my dog. It's tough out here. Ish. Hey.
Is that Mjolo?
So no.
Jolo,
What
hey,
I'm
Jolo
saying
is
is
hard.
it's difficult and also sad to have a baby mama that's a baddie and also a groovist.
Why?
It is sad
My
Why
dog.
is it sad?
because she can be a weekend stalker.
Yeah, she can be a
She's
dog.
your baby mama. She's not your woman. She just.
Yeah, but then for the fact that...
No, but I should say, like, for some reason, somebody you imagine getting married to them. You know,
And you
we
end
get
up,
feet.
and you end up looking at them...
Okay, what if I pull up with your hot baby mama?
With my baby mama.
Not even your hot baby mama. Pulling up Fitunje now.
Wait. Man, before you come in, mounting my hot baby mama, do I have a non-hot baby mama?
Okay, let me put it this way.
All my baby mamas are hot.
Okay, let's say we're going out, we book a place and say, you know what, okay, let's organize an EFAB. And I pull up with your baby mama.
Yeah, first of all, baby mama works as fair.
It's me, now we agree as a gang.
Yeah.
It's a boys' night out.
Yes.
We say, you know what?
Kumnandi.
No, I do not know her.
Zwin.
Auntie Kruvist. I'm just look, man. We have a party here in Amakenge. What can I buy for you?
Okay.
Blah blah blah. Meaning niggas a little story. And I don't know she's your baby mama.
Aish.
But Tinanji City, I'm gonna do it. And
If
then
you,
I pull up with your baby mama.
if you don't know, I understand. But if you know, no.
I mean, Shuti, how would you feel as in like me disrespecting you and all that shit? That shit happening, Guti. I just organized your baby mama as Easy Fair.
Bro.
Usho in this cycle or generally? In this cycle?
No, I in the circle.
As
a machita.
I don't care as long as I do not have a relationship with Umchita. But if I have a close relationship with Umchida, obviously it will be a matter of me pulling you aside. Hey, my guy, that's the baby mama there.
Hey, man,
And then what must I do? We are in Cape Town, bro.
Fuck.
And it's 12 o'clock. You have your own store.
Not even 12 o'clock. We're in Cape Town.
We're in
Yeah,
Cape Town. You have
exactly.
your own store. And
In Cape Town.
Ben Tembele store
Yo.
was lazy.
And she has her clothes there. And I'm in Phuket every day for this.
And she's carrying a bag, nigga.
Yeah.
What must I do
Yeah.
now?
Very, we have plans. We have plans, Baba.
Shit, you're
And-
about to be
Shit.
a baby daddy.
And before,
You need to come in
okay,
as well.
wait, before that,
Bro.
let's not put it that way, ne? You arrive late, you know?
Yo.
It's me now, my friends, like, on the phone and tell guys, you're missing out. The couch and please, and carefully. And then when you walk into the house,
Please, keep it nice.
peep it carefully, and then when you walk into the house, a village is and, you know,
No, I think for me,
yeah,
I'm still saying he didn't know. So
Yeah.
it's not a problem. But Mina, my baby mamas, they respect me.
she didn't know that you're coming. No?
Exactly, she didn't know. But angeke seniyanglokhunjana niyangiflontela yonke lento yenu.
Wait, you're not dating her. That's my baby.
I'm not dating her, but she's the mother of my kid.
That's my baby, though. That's my baby. She has baby with you. no?
He's coming to our point. That's my baby mama, dog. There's that
What is he
thing,
gonna do?
my
Okay.
baby mama can't be
I'm
the
trying
woman.
to come around. I hope you're gonna enjoy that.
I don't mind. I don't give a fuck. I mean, we're not dating.
Yes, says hey, oh boy.
But
you
the fact
fucked
of the
up,
matter
dog,
is-
ah, you fucked up.
Respect
Manje
me.
vele uzokwenza njani ke dog man?
I know-
What
okay.
must you do now, eh?
Ah, man.
It's just gonna be awkward. I'm telling you now. for
Obviously,
free.
though. Ah, very.
The whole trip is just gonna
Yeah.
be awkward.
Very
Chances
much
are I'll just
We
get
want-
pissed and leave.
We're in Cape Town. Live it, man.
Book another flight.
The following day, I'll leave.
Nigga, you're with your girl.
I live with the girl
Why are we leaving, baby? The girl asks.
Eish.
because
Eish.
you can see.
You see what?
I
Don't fuck. Nigga, live alone. Me, I'm not leaving just because your pay mama here. I'm not
who's
leaving.
not living?
The girl says that.
I mama was patarele.
Oh,
then
lucky.
you
No,
stay.
wait.
We patarele,
Okay,
yes.
yeah, nah.
Patarele is
Nah.
actually what's it?
Ngaphandle
Fine.
kwalokho phela lona mfethu umuntu wakho lo current do uthi
Yeah.
namanje akajiki nawe
So when you just happy because of your ex, you tell her
yeah
shit.
nama no I won't
Now
tell her
you
that.
have no crowds.
I won't tell her that.
Why would you say
I'll
that?
give her another excuse because really I have no crowds.
You need to start a fight.
I need to be careful about it.
You're
though.
not starting any fight.
You need to
just
start a
do.
fight.
You just
You
leave.
You
it.
start a fight. Immaculate, we are shooting.
I need to be clever about it, dog. No. I need to be clever about it.
Okay, what would you do? Be clever about it.
Even better ngiyayibona ukuthi vele bithi yangishisa. Okay, vele izongishisa vele because vele okay. Anginayo ingane dog, but every time I think about it, uma ngicabanga into le ukuthi ngabe kuthiwa bethi ngabhekisa isifebe nje manje. Sengihlala ngidibana naso indaweni. Ngithi ngiyazi yazi bethi it wouldn't be nice. Yabona into le. So manje bethi sengiyazi nje. Sese Cape Town bro. Na qo. Hey bro, maybe mina bethi I'm booking bethi yabona mahlala vele endaweni eyi-1. I'm going to book bethi another hotel dog. Emini dog bethi ama activities I'll be there dog mara nje ish. Kona vele bethi it won't be a nice trip dog. Yabo for mina especially for vele uchero wami bethi le ngizobe ngihamba naye I'll have to try my best dog ukuthi yabona to make it fun for her.
You know why I'm asking?
Because mina dog I know it won't be nice.
I have reached a level of nonchalance towards to the mothers of my kids.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're no longer my
Mara
baby
wena
mom.
bethi wona bethi kodwa kusala abaphuzi dog.
Yeah,
You
no.
don't see them
Besides that,
motivate.
they can be hoes in a coffee club.
Kusala it's not people that
No,
you
but
bump into.
you
Those
say
things.
now-
But what I want to tell you
Those
is I've reached a level of I understand that this is your life and there's no way I can have an effect in your life.
And ilapho dog.
Yeah, and I don't wanna. I'm cutting the umbilical cord.
No,
You
no,
can
no, no,
accept
no.
it, but
Wait,
then you can't
Ish,
change the way you
is-
feel, dog.
You see now,
Can't change the way you
when
feel,
we
dog.
pendula ngenye
You
indlela.
can't
No,
try
I-
to be smart about it.
Angiphenduli.
Feelings were feelings.
Angiphenduli ngithi mina I have reached a point of
No.
I have no
No.
feelings for them.
We have
But
all
then,
reached
How
that
would
point.
you feel, dog?
We are talking about.
But
I have your ex, your baby mama, my
I'll be excited as fuck. You know what? I'll look at you and tell you, Ntwana, make sure when you leave, she's next to you. Don't leave her alone. Don't leave her alone, nigga.
Oh,
And you are with the
I'm gonna
the
tell
other
you, you don't know how to make prove me. I'll call yours. The other
Let's go, my
I'll call
nigga.
yours.
She's a weekend store, that's why.
I'll call her, Baba. Don't play, Baba.
As lim as
I'll
you're
call
dead.
her. When
As
I
lim as-
I know.
Oh, so much
I'll give you for the night.
No. There's this other one that just my first baby mama was home for the holidays. Ne? She stays in KZN. And then like I'm in town ne? From 4 about 2 women. Sit down until 7. I know she's on her way. Yeah, well. I'm trying to be a nice nigga. I'm like, your mother told me, Wuti, where's Ogala? Are you on your way? But I never tell anybody I'm coming. I'm like, what the fuck are you saying? Did you just And then wabakanjalo. I gotta see, I'm in town, I'm driving, I wanna take her home. I will like Kinji, make things smooth, see my son. Like, I'm not doing it for her. I will old boy wants to.
But you were doing it for her in a way.
I was doing it for my son.
But you did want
But
to.
you did want.
No, I don't.
Don't lie. You know you wanted bums.
Bums. No, I was gonna take her home to her mother.
But then you also wanted.
Her mother wants me to get bums because there's nothing she doesn't have pay. Like, above her to Wawabona, like, she knows we broke up. She knows very well, but she updates me every time about her.
You are the father of the child.
She updates me about her mother.
You are the father.
Yeah, you are the father.
Okay, how is it really important for her to tell me ngidlulela nje Ruth ukuthi hey bunjani? Uyeza sibanibani kusasa?
You baby mama phela phela.
Ufuna zobona
Mama wengane.
Hayi ingane yami yazi, ingane yami beyisuka kimi ngayizolo. Bengazi vele, like ngazi ngoba
mama wengane uzobukhona ke manje.
But I get the idea sakhile like wagcina nini umntana ukunibona ninoyithunje.
uyasibona nje ngoDisemba uyasibona.
Manje kusala uyeza manje it's a surprise for ingane now. It's a PP. Yeah, you can PP. Oh,
Just calculate the months from now to December.
Don't play, oh boy.
Another thing,
Abantu abadala nje smart now they calculate.
I'm not so they are smart just because badala. I know a lot of stupid people badala. But abantu abadala they are smart. No, it's that your mother-in-law is smart.
Okay, your mother-in-law she's smart.
Yeah, she's smart. What abantu abadala? Aphumela ngaphandle uzobona abantu abadala benzani utsho they are smart wena. It's this thing ngalento ukuthi sukumela umgogo ebhasini ngenxa ukuthi mdala lapho uthi uyathakatha lokho cabanga usukumela umthakathi impela nova athi nje ngiyasithatha le ngifuna ukuyomlawyer phela umthakathi lawyer for no reason bro.
How would you know what
But wait, do you sorry do you offer your seat mangabe come umuntu omdala?
No.
Yeah.
No, why not?
Yeah, probably no.
Yes,
Why?
no.
Why not?
She came late. What the fuck? Ngisebhasini khathele nami.
Good. You said yes.
Yeah.
Why?
Especially if I would ubaba nje mina especially uma kuthiwa ugogo ngibona ukuthi vele
uncapable
umuntu uyadinga ukuthi abambe irest ngiyasukuma nje mina bethi I'm active though.
Bazosukumela abanye
Don't play with me though.
Mina I'm sorry I'm not.
Baba umdala nje ngizoma nje baba
inkinga mina I've seen a lot of rude, cruel old women who can't even walk.
I do not care what I'm
No, you get what you give. Uzombona mfethu umuntu okufanele umsukumele. Let me not say no. Yabo. Like, let me not be adamant about no. No.
Not certain people.
Give me respect mfethu ngiyayizwa ukuthi uyayideserve mfana. Ngiyayizwa uyambona nje umuntu o deserve respect. Khona othi eza lapha ababone bonke abuke nje wena athi go.
Oh, okay.
Like why you pick me, bitch? Like what the fuck?
You must offer though. I would make that say you must offer. I would make that say. Look at that.
Some people are entitled, bro.
Okay, about entitled motherfuckers. I don't give a shit about that.
For me, it's yes and no.
Exactly.
Isho lethu ukuthi ngifike early for a reason.
Bra, ngikhathele.
Nami ngikhathele ukukhathele. But bangabe ayemshini uzoyikhatha nathi.
Oh. Uchintela lento ichinta.
Kodwa lento ayishoyo esho ukuthi if ngiyabona ukuthi ufragile.
Yes.
Obviously I will then ivule thatha ibhodlela uvule ngelinye imshini. Awukwazi yo ivule ngamazinyo, ivula ngamazinyo.
Uvula ngamazinyo.
So give me it's with you ukuthi if ngiyabona ukuthi fragile but if umama nje senzothi hayi abantwana basuka hayi angiyenzi le nto.
Mina kahle mina ngifuna angikhona ngisho nokubuka nje umuntu ujadelela nje ukuthi umuntu omdala.
Me too.
Ayingihlali kahle lento le. Ngibuye ngibuza ukhuliswe kuphi mfethu.
Hey
Even though ngabe kuthiwa wrong lo muntu omdala, it doesn't mean ukuthi kumele ngimphendule ngimkhombe. No, I can just walk away though.
Yeah,
Pelile, I just walk away. Pelile.
I just sit. I don't. I just sit in my seat. I just sit. And feel like I should stand up. That's when I'm not going to stand up for real.
Exactly, dog.
If I have the the Kanye way, then bamisi takes about the Kanye way, and like uhleli la duze kwakho.
No, ngiyasukuma
nama
ngicela ukuchazela wonke umuntu because lento yekani yenzeke ePiet Retief kuphela. Apparently it takes my igcwele ePiet Retief kutholakala i20 liters yopende ibekwe eside empty bese wena omncane you occupy the can.
If you want to remember we are all paying here,
or if ever ujahile hayi ke you know bese so
and there's no discount jalo in the Kanye way.
Yeah,
but that's full price.
And enye futhi enye into engibonile within my travels akekho umuntu obala imali kuthiwa uqapha boy kwezinye indawo
Ila Piet Retief kuphela.
like come experience a taxi ride that you've never experienced. Only in Piet Retief you can find. I'm telling you. Yo man, hey asike siyeke le ndaba esho usifake vele mfana.
No, it's fine. We are already in.
We'll end it.
Yeah.
Oh, we'll end it.
Yeah, we're already in. So
I'm
guys,
excited. Sorry.
Carry on.
1,000 views. So.
Abangas.
Yeah.
My brother here.
Sakile.
My brother here was like, no, you can't just tell me this thing. This thing you must say it live. People must hear you.
Yes.
Exactly.
My bro here, my bro did the things.
You operated.
My bro was like, no, the views are on another slow level. They're very, very low. My bro was like, nah, man.
Let me peep it close.
Wolves awakening.
Yes.
I'm gonna peep it close.
Yes.
I'm gonna bring it here. I'm gonna bring it for the boys.
Yes.
And the girl.
Yes.
I'll bring it for them.
Nazo.
Hey,
I'll show them the flames.
Yeah.
And he came.
What happened?
Flames.
What happened?
Yeah, I peeped it close.
Peep it close. I'm gonna keep the shades on.
Hey, the numbers were running me, bro. I was like, hey, what's happening?
Yeah.
Which one is this one now, eh? I'm checking the comments there. Hey, it's another level, eh?
There's comments
People
too.
are engaged there, eh?
Wow.
I'm like, what the fuck? I'm like, hey, Mr. S, is this you, my bro?
Take the hat off for a nigga.
Whether for this one, I have to. I have to for this one. Yay.
Yes. Whoa.
Him, my bro, that quelled it.
Hey, you look amazing.
Him, my bro, that
You
quelled
look amazing, by the way.
No, it's Mr. S moment.
Yeah, why?
Yeah,
Okay. Let's call this a wave gang.
I'm sure no more. When I issue no more.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm going to find out no more. Let's go, Ash.
I am a cabin. I do.
You can't get no money. I share shoes on that.
When I open. Bye, Ben. Bye,
You
Ben.
okay?
Yo.
Twice.
Because I'm trying to call me. I'm not saying.
Ngene ngamandla njengeshetla sakini.
Hayi vele ngisagezi ngamanzi asemkhondo kuphela.
But I'm sure ujwayela. Naqala wenza content ngami.
Wena
You.
Auntie, that's why you did best in this one. You like
Yeah. My bro was like, nah.
Asambe ish.
Yo.
Yeah.
I'm a tanki, mato.
Thank you.
I will love the number. And numbers don't lie, man.
Yeah.
Numbers don't lie.
Yeah, numbers don't
My
lie.
brother, I need that, man.
Yeah, we're picking it up. We're picking it up.
But in a week or 2 weeks, is it? In a week.
Yeah. Shout out
Not
to
even a week,
shout out
bro.
to
In just a
Ukuzan.
few days, 3 days, I'm sure the video will have it.
Yeah, shout out. Yabo nje kulama interviews.
Yeah.
Yabonakala nokuthi uNelly was flopping, yabo.
Actually, that's a second K. Because the backstage interview with Kuzani also hit the K first.
On YouTube.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
On YouTube.
Yes, sir.
on TikTok.
So we are the K gang now.
We had a cake.
Oh, shit.
On
Where
TikTok,
the
it's
cake?
another.
Just cool and
another
different.
level.
I didn't check.
I didn't check.
I also didn't check. I'm
On TikTok, he ran the numbers out.
Okay, shout out to Kuzani.
Yeah,
Kuzani
shout outs.
Petumpongo said,
Shout
we
outs.
love you, my man. Like, yo, fair too. I think he's showing a season. No, we love you, my man. Uzoba inking ala pogo for Akuba. We love September for Section Deepa. So the Lamanju session Blue Nation. Yes. Well, it's the blue. I think that's why I sound cool. I'm fair. Do you have one time? Blue la one down.
Oh, okay.
And
also congrats to Shini's fave, Usman Mizi.
yes, man.
Usman.
Congratulations,
Yeah,
man.
congratulations to
Twinsler
Usman
age.
Mizi.
Or he used to be Twinsler age.
Yeah, I am done with
shit.
that.
Yeah,
I'm done with
yeah.
that.
Oh, yeah. Umcholo lo menze nje. Umcholo.
Not
Jolo,
easy.
yeah, Mazama.
But yeah, congrats to Usman Mizi for best male artist, right?
Yeah.
Best male artist. Yeah, hey, siyakubongela mfowethu. Kudos.
I also want to say shout out to MT. MT,
Oh, yeah,
MT
yeah.
really pushed. Man, like, I was talking to a daughter of mine in the morning, and she was going to church. She's like, hey, born in Pilinjan.
Hey, you must keep the head on. Yeah.
Yeah, so
but
like
it
we
looks
said.
great, man.
Like we said, I'm going to Sunday school.
You must keep the head
Ochi,
on.
I'm born MT. Like, it's just a full circle where he suffered a lot in the industry, and he came back independent. He did his own thing, and usually we are not totally recognition and he gets the best hip hop produced album, right? And it deserves it. The whole album it sounds, the songs like sound the same for a reason, and that's MT's mind right there. Ukuti, don't try and sound like everybody else. Sound like you.
Keep your original.
Keep your original sound, and that's why he got the award. Shout out to Naledi and Mawelele.
Yeah.
All those guys. I hope you guys are dating for real. You guys look good together, bro. Like, yo, they look really nice together. Do you know that they're dating, by the way? You in the Lubuanga, yeah.
No, I'm like, I'm a matchmaking, man. But then if you say this,
So they've been. So they asked to Nalet. I think it was a radio interview or a podcast interview. Are you really dating or is it music?
Okay.
So the question still remains:
Oh.
Are they dating or
So
not?
what?
But they just posted.
Allegedly.
Yeah, they just posted a video.
Hey.
No, it's somebody who posted a video.
They've
on-
been
on
okay.
the
If they're not dating, they must date because I like them. I want them to date.
Or they must say for you.
Yeah,
Yo,
date.
guys, I enjoyed watching how excited Naledi was when Mawelele got the first award.
Bro.
And I was praying so hard to go to yo Shem on the next award.
She must be a.
Naledi must get the award, and she did.
You know what must happen? We must announce all the awards.
Well, this
Okay.
Relevant.
Okay. Shit. We gotta say, Artist of the Year, Makadzi. One thing that I also noticed, the guys that came here and the guys that I've seen, the guys that I've shared the stage with, they won. I'm the only one who didn't win at the Mamas.
Oh yeah, congratulations to
Acidic
Loops.
Loops.
Now we are focusing
Yay, the
on the
Bruel.
battles.
Yeah, okay, sharp.
No, but wait. Hi guys, but I was disappointed again. My mama's.
But then for
Should I say anything?
It's well deserved.
Yeah, you can, but
I don't want. Sakili wants me to say something. I'm
Yeah.
not gonna say anything.
No, I was very disappointed. Number one, you make your nominees to pay to get inside. Like what the fuck? I've been nominated on different awards. I've never paid. I always get.
Nigga.
Yeah, they were
Nominees
supposed
at
to pay.
300 rands to pay, bro. Why am I paying if I'm a nominee?
Like why? Why?
Why am I doing that?
Nah, bro. We also host ours here at Grave Sessions. So
We've never made nominees to
No,
pay.
we do.
We do.
Yeah.
They pay.
They pay.
Okay, it's a wrong thing
Really?
to do, Mshini.
Yeah.
It's a wrong thing to do.
Remember.
Pay for what?
Firstly.
Pay for submission or pay
wait.
for the event?
Oh,
Wait,
yeah.
so
On Grave Sessions, they didn't pay for submission, so they pay for the event. We still have to cover the cost at the end of the day.
Nominees,
Yes, sir.
the content.
Really?
They don't pay for submission. They don't pay anything.
Okay, now let's correct this shit. Don't what you want to make. I could write lentole. Rather make them pay for submission.
But they won't afford to because it's not cheap.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen.
The entry fee is cheaper than...
Then make the entry fee for nominees be the same as the submission. What I'm saying is, don't make them pay for the actual event. If they can't afford to come for the event, what must happen when they win the award?
They will send somebody who can...
No, let's not have that.
Yeah.
Let's not have that, Machine. Let's not have that.
Yeah, when it's not quelling.
Why?
You're calling all the wrong way, man. Let's
Did
not.
you hear me what I said?
Yeah,
So,
when
yeah,
it's-
the
it's-
costs.
I'm
The
hearing you.
culture of awards, you have to pay for submission. So here
Is
at
it?
home, yes sir. You pay
But
Yeah,
for
you must pay for submission.
but then they do.
The culture of awards, your awards.
So
No.
when uthathela cost
Every award.
No, I've
most,
been-
let me say
Yeah,
most
say
awards.
most because I've been
The ones you
nominated
know.
before.
For
And I've never paid for submission, I've never paid for entrance.
Entrance.
okay, which awards were there?
The ones I can...
They were based on what, like entertainment or something else?
It doesn't matter. It's an
No,
award.
hold on.
Aye.
Yeah.
Okay, let's leave this shit about awards paying and all the shit.
They
Ne?
didn't go.
It's bad that the mamas made us
this
pay.
conversation is
No,
necessary,
but
though.
as
It is
much
necessary,
where
yeah.
is it coming from?
Oh,
Oh
no.
no, which one? It's
Because we need
MMA
to
as
get-
well, but
yeah.
it's not Metro Awards. It's Mpumalanga.
Media Awards.
Mpumalanga Men Achievement Awards.
Okay.
Yes. I was nominated on that one. I can't remember the year.
Yeah.
I never paid for e-submission because our e-submission was made by someone else on my behalf.
Yeah.
Exactly.
And I just got a mail to say, Sakile, you've been nominated for 3. So, I about to buy this person. But
For this, yeah.
I knew when I started posting, and then this person said, "Oh, they accepted the submission." Oh, so you're the one who nominated me. So I've never paid for a submission.
So
I remember also we didn't submit that because she wanted something else. That's my then girlfriend. She wanted to nominate me for a multi-choice Viewers' Choice Awards.
Mm-hmm.
Community.
Oh, yeah, I remember those awards.
Yeah. There was no submission fee there.
So you see, those type of awards, it's a different concept. I'm trying to explain that. So, when the example you have
Mm-hmm.
like you are a manager, you have a certain position. Like there are people who report to you. I don't know what position you hold, Mara. You a certain person.
Mm-hmm.
So if ever you wanna nominate a employee of a year, you won't say submit for the employee of a year. Like you just look at their work and then they are deserving of that. But when it comes to media or music or creative awards, you have to let us know, say, this is the work I've done this year, or depending on those awards are calculated in what time period. For example, in your session, if you ever when I want to say, so it's calculator for that year. Because they would submit something about like 5 years ago. No, we are Spanish keeper in that certain year.
In the year, yeah.
So you have to submit to acknowledge, say, I am submitting my work in that platform. So right now we are working on contracts whereby if ever we are doing promotions using your music, you won't strike us on copyright claims, none. Because like at the end of the day, to promote you as a nominee, we have to use your music in a certain way. You see, remember the nominees are Gaddafi Old Boy, his song. But if ever we do that and post and you strike us with a copyright claim, at the end of the day, if you lose, you don't win because you are better.
Why are you trailing?
Because I'm trying to make sure that you understand your reason.
No, you're trailing. You're talking about something else now.
Yeah, no,
So now we're talking about the fact that a nominee should pay for nothing. Maga nominate
Nah, bro.
awards.
Metro FM,
The cost,
you pay.
the cost. The cost that you are incurring as an organizer. That's why you're selling tickets to the audience. Understand? The
That's why
nominee.
you have sponsors.
And then you attract.
They don't.
No, you attract sponsors, but you can't kill the people that you nominated ngemali just because when you were not able to get sponsors.
Then let's
It
not
just
do the
doesn't make
award
sense. Huh?
Then let's not do the awards.
So now you're saying it will be fine.
Sakile, if ever you are hosting Miss Mkon, why are they keep paying to be there? For the admin,
They don't.
They don't. Since when?
No, they don't. For what?
For being part of,
Contestants.
yeah, if ever you are applying to be part of Miss Mkon,
No,
That's a different
that's
story,
a different
bro.
one.
Like those ones are here to contest. They're going to contest on that day.
Exactly.
Nominees are here to come. I'm not gonna do anything. If I don't win, I paid. If I win, I paid. Like,
So let me clarify this. With Miss Mkono, we've got an admission fee or a registration fee.
That's a submission fee when it comes to awards. I'm trying to break it down as you
Let
go.
me finish. Let me cook.
Hey.
So that's the admission fee, which you pay to come to the audition. You know why we do that? At the beginning, you will have 100 entrants. And then towards the event, Masisondel, you only to find out what you are having 10 or 5. To
People are really
avoid
serious.
that,
yes.
we must get people who are very committed to
It's
this.
quality control.
Remember, I've got you who must come and do my content. I need to pay you. I've got Ilokunjana, ama photo shoots, I've got portfolio, I've got your makeup and all. I cover all of that. That 250 is an administration fee, which does not even cover anything, by the way. Because I'm a t-shirt, I even said, you bring your own t-shirt, I'll do the embroidery for you. Ukufaki logo, lama logo and your name and whatever, it's way more than the money that you are actually paying. So lapho suke sifuna ukuhlukanisa inhloko nesiqhadi kahle kahle ukuthi who's serious and who's not. But on the day of the event, they do not pay.
That's
They
what
get
I'm
in
saying.
for free.
I'm saying.
Guys, mshini bethu uzohlezi abane-comeback. As long
No,
as-
listen, brother.
As
this is
long as
simple.
ikhuluma ngalokuthi
Okay, wait,
Ever,
Shini,
how much are your
Shini,
tickets
man.
for
Shini,
Miss Mkono?
Shini,
Yes,
Shini,
wait,
Shini,
yes,
How much
Shini.
are your tickets for Miss
Wait,
Mkono?
Shini.
Hold on,
As long as
hold
there
on.
was
Wait,
money,
wait.
though.
Yes, wait,
How much are your
wait.
tickets for Miss Mkono?
Mina get you,
The
mshini.
last time we did Miss Mkondo, the tickets were $100.
Okay, cool. And the admission fee, it's how much?
250.
250.
Yes.
So, me, instead of making them pay that 250, they rather pay that 100.
No, I don't want them to do that because it will be it will create a lot of problems for me.
And me
Remember-
knowing creatives, because remember, I work with these people.
No,
I-
for me, and we are comparing two things that are not the same. You don't run rehearsals, you don't do content or anything. That's
I don't
why
do-
with them, I still have somebody who needs to train them that needs to be paid as well. For my rehearsals and all of that, there's other expenses that are there before the main event.
So in ours, we don't have any expenses. They
I
just come
didn't
in
say,
and out.
you see
Wait.
now,
I'm trying to explain that the reason for the money is because like, I have
Akhulume
things to
thina
pay
manje
for.
bangamuva basale bathula
Mshini,
abasale bathula
You
mshini
was
thula
always
thula
at
thula
the
Okay, what pays for the hours?
Shini,
that they are
Shini,
getting? No,
Siyabonga.
oh boy.
Siyabonga.
Where
We'll
does the
have-
money
we'll
for
have
the
it
hours
up-
come from?
We'll have it after
comes from the
Yeah.
sponsors. Are you saying Gucci the prices they are getting?
So
it
I
comes-
haven't had sponsors for 2 years in New Vision Awards. That means you're saying I shouldn't have done the
And
awards.
that's why you haven't
I
had
haven't
them.
I haven't had Miss Mkono for the past 2 years because I don't have sponsors.
Then if you don't have sponsors, don't have a show.
Exactly.
Simple. Don't
So-
make people who are nominated to pay. It's a bad thing to do.
Nah, bro.
They
Like,
paid.
I-
Okay, back to Mamas, they paid, and even the setup was
Dude.
fucked
When you
up.
say they don't pay and they set up
Shut
better
up.
than mamas.
We are done.
No.
It is.
Yo,
Don't
I-
compare.
it was.
Don't compare
It was.
anything here.
Nah,
We are talking about.
But it was.
We are talking
Wave
about.
sessions was way.
No, I won't
we
say
had
that.
a
I
red
didn't
carpet.
even see the
Yeah, it was
setup. That's why
terrible.
it's.
Oh, it was terrible.
Come on, you didn't see the video.
That's why I posted when I was put there.
Okay.
Come on,
Post
bro.
on
The
the
stage say green carpet.
No, I
Yes,
didn't
they-
see the stage, honestly.
Okay,
The
we're
only
not,
person-
we're
the
not
only
here
person-
to bash people. We're
Yes,
just saying.
the
I
only
was
person.
just saying.
No. The only person that said
Machine is
that shit was
fired up,
horrible was
Machine.
Lungile, and she was pissed and she didn't like the way the whole thing was organized, and she was so sad, bro.
Okay, what happened? Go back. What are you saying? Lungile and then start.
Lungile
She
Masondo,
was. She was a thing.
She was an MC. She was.
She was nominated. She
Yeah,
was,
she was-
up against him.
No. Me. Best
Did she
best
win?
media personality. What about best MC and MTN?
When MC not me, you are not MC.
I was MC, yes, in the beginning, and then I went to media personality. Like
Why no?
that's what they said. I was like, oh, this shit is fire.
Okay, carry on.
Why? The reason why I would be really, because after the awards they said, what can we improve? I'm gonna say it here on the show. I couldn't text them. I couldn't say because to the way they organized the show, machine. We're not talking about web sessions.
I'm quite how.
Ngibona indlela ongibonga ngayo wathi ufuna nokusonda uzongishaya. No, trigger. So you couldn't get any updates if you wanted, if you had a query, if you had a request or if ever khona ufuna ukwazi
Inquiry.
inquiry, thank you sir, you couldn't get anything. You can't talk to you. WhatsApp yabo ikhona mfethu iyaposta but they don't respond to you.
Oh.
First of all, that shit looks like manje but ngathi this is a scam. Understand?
Yeah, it looks sus.
Second, August 3. Thirdly, they you
keep
guys
it
are
calm.
here for
Thank
me.
you,
You
my
guys are here for me. Thirdly, they changed the venue. Toti namhlanje event ikusasa. Bashintsha namhlanje
Oh,
venue.
wow.
I was like, this doesn't look good. Bakutshela ukuthi hayi ngaphakathi manje because of a venue. Mangiyibuka le petrol value yabo ngisho ukuthi bebasisa nje ematsheni beyizoba worse. Yabo? But now August 4 elungile washo ukuthi fourthly. Oh, you guys got me. Lungile mfethu why mawazi yo lungile mfethu brought her whole family, bro. Like the way inyesa ngakhona ndilo ukuthi someone would take your event so serious. I traveled from Piet Retief to Pretoria with her whole family, with their own private car. But book the day before, looks snazzy as fuck. Better when Obanika that shit show, the mama show. I'm not saying because I didn't win.
No, we also saw it. I started the conversation. It was a shit show.
It was a shit show,
also
yes.
didn't win.
And I'm not afraid to say it's a shit show. And I wouldn't be proud if I won. I wouldn't. Because they even said, Baba niggas, it's Korokoro Sesandero. The queen was not there. I would appreciate the Korokoro, obviously, but I am not.
But you're fine without it.
I'm fine. Like, I feel like this is a sign that I can be recognized because the time I received message, I don't know who saw the awards and then one told message, so Konok nominated, I was like, what is that? Mama.
My dog, stop
Then I
seeking,
research.
Stop seeking for validation. You are here, my dog. You're doing it, my dog.
I
You
always
are it,
decline Lama
Believe
nominations.
in yourself. You are it, bro.
Oh, I must keep
telling
it close. I
you,
must
me
keep
and
the shades on.
people,
Yeah.
You are it, bro.
Mara, another thing, when you come if ever you're starting, it won't be
Exactly.
as like.
Who's-
I'm talking for
Okay,
you.
who's starting?
Eh?
No, then our mamas.
It's
The
my
mamas,
first time
it's
here.
the sixth time. It's the
Wow.
sixth annual.
I
They're
get,
not starting.
They're not starting.
I get.
They've been.
Wave session has done just 3
Ah,
times.
And it's not about website shit, bro. Yo, like this
It's not about the
nigga.
way.
Oh, Jesus. Ikakasa alibenga pants. Alibenga pants. Umama usamile la. Umama uthi kakasi pants. Yo, Safa. Okay, let's announce the winners of the metros because this is the whole shit. Let's pack up the whole thing. Engoba proud now. I mean,
Yo, guys, but before we announce,
yeah.
I just wanna find out how does it feel unominated on more than 6 categories.
Okay.
Ungabuyina neyodwa.
Oh shit.
Kusuke sakutheni.
Man, oh boy.
Oh,
Hey.
hey. No.
Abanye
What happened
ngifile ngathi basabotage uScott.
Yeah.
Eze ngoma lama-nominations balokhu repeater nje yabo.
Bekuna Scott.
Bekuna Scott.
Okay.
Yeah, yabo mina ngifuna ukuthi la South Africa ne.
Sengiyisholo la ngisho.
Hayi mina ngiyayifakaza lento esho ukuthi la South Africa Scott Maphuma boy ne.
That's true.
You can't come through and be a baby girl and act like you
And eventually
stay
you
away
need
from
to
music,
hear
my
it,
nigga.
my dog. You need to hear
And
it, my dog.
Cotton Fest. You saw what happened to Scott Maphuma on Cotton Fest?
What
Mina
happened?
best I didn't see ngibone best ngamakhethi ukuthi kuthiwa bithi crowd dog William.
The crowd was like,
My bro.
the crowd was so excited. We
This
wanted
is
to
South Africa.
Yeah,
We can
should-
cancel you.
It's
my
a
bro.
dollar. Besithi
We
ngiyeza
can
fike.
cancel you, my
The
bro.
crowd was like,
Hey, you're lying.
even on my flash, if I know my flash like
Yo.
there's a few because they want to capture the moment. Kuti, this is a flop.
Bro.
Okay.
Bro.
No one is moving until
like-
Toss came.
Just like they did to Andile. Okay. Andile Pisane when he was
Yo, yeah.
God was Aja.
Exactly when he
they were
was
like-
at propaganda. That shit like,
Scott.
bruh, Scott, leave
Bro.
that shit. Mapuma.
This is South Africa.
Hey, bruh.
Respect the people.
Yeah,
Don't
respect.
think you are above the people.
Yeah.
This is the people that made you, bro.
Yeah, one man.
Bathini bona. Bathi
Bathini.
siyacancel.
Bathi
respects.
Bathi respect Bathi when I was selling upon.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you sabotage them. I'm not gonna.
Firstly, let's give context.
To what?
So what happened? Yeah.
No, before what happened, like, to Scott, the reason why.
Yo,
Yes,
Scott,
being-
man. Like, okay, so the content is...
Wait, the context, before you go to the context.
Yeah.
I saw a video, I want to link it, but you'll correct me if I'm wrong. I saw a video, yaga naledi, ku lokunja, ku Lwandlunkulu picnic, what. Lebe got at People's Park. So naledi was singing, and then wase uya with the crowd. Watata this young girl. Mama figured up.
And then she was lit.
So it was so beautiful
Oh,
to
then she
watch.
was lit.
And then there were comments, but kube bekuskot bazomdonsa abaqeda umkhathi.
Yo, imagine, bro.
uScott uqala wabonakala ukuthi uzoyenza lento le. There was sometimes he would be angry ukuthi bamtshele ngotshwala when he's performing. Nigga, nobody's pouring alcohol on you. People
Bro,
are dancing
people
and
are happy,
kenzeka,
it's a
utshele ukuthi-
vibe,
and it's not like bamtshela wabona ukuthi it was just a spiel. Waqala khomsa lo. Second time someone was busy calling his name like waswaphendula wambuza wathi
I saw that video.
all right.
I saw that video.
Like, yeah.
Leyo
Just for
ayibone,
screaming.
overlapping ombuzo.
So,
Friend.
Scott, stay
Shut.
away.
Yeah.
Stick to recording and producing. Don't come to the people if you don't want
Yeah.
that, bro. Stay
Don't
away.
talk. Fana ngithi uyazi
And the
noma
background is
kufaka
not
inkinga.
fana because now you are ruining a lot. It camp yakho manje is in jeopardy because of you.
And
Your
the
camp is in jeopardy
that
because of
camp
you.
was nominated, I think, more than 6 awards.
Yo,
I'm
They
sure.
didn't even come with the
I'm sure a lot of them are looking into other camps now. They're like,
bro,
oh, hey,
I'm telling you
where
this
can
now.
I go
bro.
now?
Ukhona omunye posted it today.
Behave.
What it, guys? Sesiyamxolisela
Ah,
ke.
Exactly, bro. Behave.
Why you late?
lalela ubabuza ulady zama mfana wami.
Oh.
Ubabuza ulady zama ukuthi if mawuqala nje wenza nje discount kahle.
This is South Africa. You must
This
remember
is South
that.
Africa.
South Africa.
Akuna media manje the
You are
worst
not
time
above
the
South
worst
Africa.
time to do this thing is cut the internet. Back in the days bebazosicontrola nge-TV bangavezi ezinye izinto.
Yeah.
Right now we see everything my dog. Clear up
Right
your
now we
head.
cancel
Hey,
you, bro.
kuthi wenza
Bathini,
wabathe ngathi uphukile mphula senze ngenyanya naledenti yakhe angikwazi nokuyenza vele angisayifunda hey wena man. So yeah, let's announce the awards. Makati was in Peter Thief last year in December. She won the Artist of the Year. Makati, shout out to Makati.
Shout
Main
out.
artist of the year. Ngisho njalo.
No, artist nje is hope.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah.
And she is. She deserves it. But
Yeah.
wazama nokundiza njengo Chris Brown and she got stuck. Makati, don't do the thing that Asha did, man.
And then, oh no.
Ukhuzani ke. Ukuba ngicama sasingayamsinyewa kulithi kuba wenzani. Kuba enjoy land. And then the second one, best viral challenge, Skuta Baba winner. I also feel like it should have been a song of the year, but because hip hop is
It
only
is the song of the year.
no, it got best viral challenge.
No,
Oh, the remix is the song of the year.
Oh, yes.
Yes. This song should have been the song of the year, but because piano was in the inclining, this year it's declining. I'm prophesying this shit.
Is it?
Yeah. Three Step is coming in. Skitong is coming in.
3 steps. Our 3 steps.
No, there's a genre called Three Step.
Oh, sorry.
Dala Tukzin.
Hayi dlala Thuzi uyadlala Thuzi.
Oh, yeah.
Uyadlala Thuzi. Hayi. There was a time bengibheke, sorry to interrupt, bengibheke enye he said on TV,
Yeah.
fuck man. Yo. Hayi
Kube
ngathi
nodlala Tukzin.
Udlala.
Yeah, uyadlala Tukzin.
uyadlala uThuzi. Awuthi ngibambe nayo i-conversation elapha ya.
Yeah, nisixolele ngoba manje vele nale phone esisenzisa. Phone yamshini by the way.
So you will continue and everywhere. Oh, it's there.
As you call.
Dala Tukzi.
So our best female artist was Colin Mwangu. She's a gospel artist.
Call you?
Mwangu.
Okay.
And then Lifetime Achievement Award.
Okay.
Oh, Mama Rebecca, you deserve it. Dr. Rebecca, you deserve it, Mama. Like, we've been in the game for a very long time. And Shakbonge. And then, best music video. Shona Gwelanga. Gunobasi
Shona Gwelanga.
Ubasi, M Touch, Ranger, Amaza, featuring Timon Express and Limet Crazy. It's Welanga. The song is Welanga.
Ushona kwet. Uthini amathuba anyamalala there.
I see you again inside.
Yeah. Yeah, but then it is that song.
And then my boy TKZ took Life Achievement Award. Shout out to TKZ. Finally, best duo group. These guys, they never disappoint. These guys, they can keep quiet, but their moves are very loud. You know, they're behind Mawalele. They're behind. Futimna, I'd even probably say behind the production guy. Na lady appeal. You can tell with the icon, Black Diamonds. Bro.
Black Diamond. Hey, my refreshing sense.
It's I love it.
I wanna try it.
Yeah, you can.
I wanna try it.
You can put it on.
And then the best hip hop song.
Yeah, you can put it on.
We bring it home. It's too much. Scandal World, KO and Next to See. My favorite song. Like I didn't expect this one. This one I didn't expect. And then for best male, who see my money? Or God, you see my money.
I'm interviewing.
You see my man.
I'm interviewing.
Sakile did best there. Nelly wanted to do the interview, but we are not.
When I walk out of the
and then the song of the year, Sakile. It's the Scooter Baba remix. Then Enabo Casper, Questa, Kane Kid. It's well deserved. This is the one.
Kid, okay.
This is the one. And then, my favorite, best produced album, DIY 3 by your boy MT. Shout out to you. Congratulations to everybody for winning, man. Like, this is so beautiful. Funny say, because I couldn't last year. We've always been Paza na metro. And the next year I will go in Mpumalanga. We've been saying we're coming.
No, was this the last year?
Yeah, this is the third time. It's the third time.
No, it's fine. We'll go to the next one.
We'll go to the next one. We should stop that. Web session is coming to the next metros. But if ever you have anything that is dope that you want us to cover, invite us to come. Trust me.
Yeah, invite us.
Just pay for accommodation and transport.
And our rider.
Yeah, and also,
bro, you gotta keep machine with you.
Hey, but isn't that like we'd love to do things for free, but we usually get paid for these things.
Yeah, we get paid.
We get paid for these things. We'd love to. We started that way, but things have changed. You know, things have changed.
Yeah, they have. I wonder where they're going. Usually, they announce this year we're going to this province.
I don't know which province is taking the metros. They probably said it on the show because we didn't watch.
I did. They did not.
The whole show?
Yeah, I watched the whole show from the beginning to the end.
See? Did you watch the Summers last year?
No, I did not.
See
I was in Durban when the Summers were playing.
Yeah, but you had internet, you had TV.
No, I was at an event.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm a Summers. They were coinciding an event, so I was at that event.
Oh, guys, I also have some dope news, bro. Like,
let me see.
I
I also have some dope news. Let me see if
I have some dope news. Yeah. Epitrative. Yo. Mkondo. I wanna show some love to Umzwandi Linyembe.
Yeah.
Yes, his wife just opened a very nice salon. It's called, let me just watch the video now. Machine will try and download the video and show you the opening of the, I think it's
Machine, you must do this time around, please. You always say download and you don't.
Yes. You see on the web session Network News. I come with videos. It's called, let me see. It's a very nice salon. It's next to Imzwazo's car wash. It's called a Beauty Plug.
Let's go there now, after the shoot.
It's called Beauty Plug by Utive. So girls can go wash their cars and get bus by a salon. I like the idea of having a salon. Hey guys, this is serious though.
Yo, but no, my health is also serious. You can't
just push a coke and I would champion. Yeah, machine.
How machine you let them tell you? Why you banikeza free airtime? Ngisho ukuthi uthe nje gco kancane kimi.
Because I say,
Tech.
Yeah.
All right, you were saying.
Hey, shut the fuck up. A beauty plug. Icon lapana. I forgot the name in Kawash. But there's a name for it. So Gamzwaza's wife just opened a beauty plug.
Oh, that's the wife.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's the wife.
Who opened the?
Yeah, she opened her own thing, and it looks amazing.
Let's go there now.
It looks amazing, and I did promise her an interview.
We can go there now. It's actually a nice vibe.
It's always a nice vibe.
Sundays are from Mzwazwa.
It's always a nice vibe.
Yes.
So Sakile, you're gonna do the interview because those are your things.
Yeah, we've seen it. The
Me, I'm not doing. And you know,
the number is proved it good. You are best for it.
You know what happens, Sakile? To tell you the truth,
guys, before you come, I wasn't even so sure about those interviews. I remember because I had booked a Lokunjaneni. When I came out of my room, Mshini na Lokunjana na Peg. Guys, I'm not even prepared. I was not prepared
for Sakile is talking shit. Like, Baslinde, what team Sakile? I was not prepared. What do you mean? Bozo went they also enjoy
Wait.
Specifically, I was not prepared because in Temang Pumerumi, camera.
That shit is your shit. Even the other event that he did the interviews.
I was so
it's not your first time.
I was drunk there. It was full moon.
No. It's Zax. Yeah, the first time we went to Zax, sizzling comeback. Yeah.
Oh, fucking drunk.
So, to give you a backstory, like, and when I was so confident, I can't do the, the thing is, the interviews, because I was on stage and I couldn't. But something is voice here.
When
I'm expiring.
I wasn't expecting you to be the
Nine things lie. Ngifuna ukutshela Ash ukuthi Ash kokugcina siya event ungekho. Sabamba France la. We have Mr. FNF Frames. Shout out to France. Shout out.
Yeah.
Okay,
why didn't you come?
Vele bethu guys. Me when it came to that event, I knew with Vele I wasn't gonna have money because I knew with money based on many years.
You were not gonna have money for what?
To go there and enjoy as much.
But there was
as much as I know with Vele the guys are there. I always enjoy what I wanted to be there. Trust me, guys. Me, I wanted to be there, but
I think this is a very lame excuse.
It's not even. I want to talk. It's not even.
It is. We've never missed an event because of that lame excuse that you just given. Because the guys came to my house, and then and I said, guys, I need to wait until 6. And then from there I will then travel. And then we had to head the backup because you were not there. You should have said
exactly. Sorry, guys. But then I wanted to be there, guys.
It was so nice.
Yo, and the man said, "Man, pay to my video." This is the second time you was Zax. I've never been there.
I slept there, man.
I fucking hate that shit. I miss it for the second time, dog. Fuck that shit, dog.
You mustn't do that.
Bro, I couldn't even answer.
Yeah. No, but it was amazing.
But then the numbers are, bro. I was impressed, my brother. I wasn't even mad, bro. After seeing the numbers, I saw who's I. My bro, I did the things.
Yeah, event. He always has an import, this one. Choma, what is called Mangala? Konum Chitala looks at Choma. Uslanda Nangela, man, and King Azala Jones in talk. Pull up like this in my nigga. Pull up like this in come test our jaw. Yeah? Yeah, there's nothing to say about Choma. Shout out to Choma.
There's something.
Yeah, there's something. You want to pause the Choma? Yeah. Kune sono ilapo.
Come close.
Yeah.
me back in the day, there was a time I got a jiggy, this on fire.
Yeah, but what man?
And there's something I want to say. This thing is going to sound bad.
Yeah.
But because his name just appeared here, Hurricane Umshai number. Hurricane Umshai number. I've heard you play, man, nigga. You're a good DJ, but I like the fact that you decided to do tutoring on Facebook for maths, physics, and all that shit. So stick to that.
I saw that coming.
Hurricane, please stick to Shy number, SMS, not the number. You my boy.
Mrs. Vala, guys, my request, there was something I wanted to talk about, but so ends on the next episode, it will still be relevant. What I want to talk about, it's a plea. Guys, Mangs actually number one. It's a look post.
Ooh.
And have fun.
Before Quebec, I'm so glad that no longer happens to me.
It does a lot.
You don't go out a lot now when it no longer happens to you.
Yeah.
It's still gonna happen.
Man saying down your pooza, but wait, don't told this speed just because you are intoxicated. Better you think you can talk to
Scott
me.
Napuma, wait. Is Scott Napuma in you this one?
No, wait.
No.
There's
a comment section for
there's
you.
a comment section
to
for
comment.
you to do that. You know?
You don't
Guys,
comment it, crew.
Guys, don't listen to this one.
Wait,
don't comment it, crew.
Besides your session, it's also my outside work.
No, that one is
You want me
Outside
to
must
give
be
you
able
work?
to
You want
see
me
me,
to
though.
give you 1, 2, 3? No, guys. When I'm here to drink and have fun.
Exactly, bro.
And
that's another
Uno
bro.
Kunjan, SK, and I'm gonna mention him because what he did really pissed me off.
SK,
is it SK Ven? But SK no Nexus Evolution. His friends, they were in a group together. No.
He's a rapper.
Yeah, he's a rapper.
The short one.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
SK.
Yeah, SK.
What SK did pissed me off.
What
the
did he do?
The last time I was here, SK got here drunk
Always
as fuck.
like Kulekan.
And then now he's got his phone on. His phone is recording.
His phone is recording.
Yeah, he's recording me. Speaker. You can imagine the sound and you want me to entertain you. My guy, can we just drink? I can't even hear you right now. And then
Is he your friend?
I know him. We went to school, same primary.
Simple
same
question:
class.
is he your friend?
He's not my friend. He's my. He's somebody I know.
Okay.
Yeah. So I am saying, guys, stop Leo nonsense, Leo, please. I don't owe you anything, especially ungangithathela iplug mina and then you come and talk to me. Uma ufuna ukukhuluma nami ngezinto zami, you know where my office is. You have my number. If you don't have my number, my name is Sakile Danzo on Facebook. You can just inbox me and then we take it from there. But Leo ukuthi uzongifuna izinto engingazazi etshwaleni, please.
Agimi is my boy.
Thank
I
you.
like that nigga, but hey, what he did is wrong, man.
No, but you can't. And ukwatela ukuthi ngithi, my guy, I can't hear you. Kunomsindo la. And manje ususondele kanje.
What must happen? What must happen? man?
Ngicela ukuphuza
Ngizophuza.
Exactly. Guys, can we just keep it there?
I am not here to be with money advertise YouTube. No. Ngizophuza. Njengawo. Which is why it is YouTube for you to entertain me. YouTube comment. As I say, comment on the comment section below.
And by the way, angiqhashani mina nginamsebenzi ngingabe lokungifuna umsebenzi naloko okunye engikufunayo.
Yo, we love you so much. We have
Drops the
session in the
mic.
building.
And that's a wrap, my dog. Mshini L. Now Gundi Pemilu, now Jeju number 2.
Yes, he's going back to his Jeju season.
You're coming back, my bro. I'm seeing you. I'm
I
peeping
will
you close.
keep you.
But then, this is the end of the
Whoa,
episode.
before you end.
I asked Kunji about it.
Asikhuluma pirate. Oh, but so is i-pirate winile guys, by the way. Okuyinto ehlezi yenza. Bengifuna ukuthi uyabona ukuthi sesa-replace-eka kancane kancane.
What do you mean?
Laba besengekho benze episode yabo. Angakayibheki but ngibabonile. Guys, the backstage team behind the scenes say ifuna ukuba in front manje. Mshini na pack.
Put it on the comment section, guys, and tell them to stay away, and then they'll listen. Actually, things back there,
Keep them close.
ever-
They must move away.
Ngiyakhomenta nibatshele ukuthi bahlale ba-available for issues.
Senze njani masho zami ngiyukuspookiwe.
So i-audience enjani ingabi ne-episode.
Masikufuna wena ukhona nalo mngane wakho.
Yeah.
Ongekho kwanami.
Yeah.
We are always, me, I'm always.
Man.
Oh,
The only time I'm outside for it.
Shoot you to stop.
By the way, umanzi lo ubhekwa khona today. Udakile.
That is watery.
Ngithenga ngibona phela mina ngathi indoda kanti ushuzi. Mina. Ushuzi. Bands guys.
Beba ngofaka ekseni lami bathi tebonez.
Ah, bro.
Bathi akuyihabi.
Uzosufa yena. Umbone.
No bokon.
Notshwala
Uvile
basande
ngikhona.
dangerous. So bona why are you still okay?
You didn't be close, my bro.
Guys, on the next episode sizokhuluma ngale ndawo zokucima ukoma ezidayisela utshwala obuyifake.
Hey, vale mfana. Uze nenye.
Uze nenye.